Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem quickly. In the first step, go to search bar, type your CMD, right click on it and select run as administrator, select as. Once we are here, type in GP update and hit enter. Now this will take some time to complete the process. Till then, we have to go to search bar and type your microphone privacy settings, type complete and then click here to open it. Now let's check out. Okay, it's done. Now type exit to close this command prompt window. On this window we need to enable all the access of the microphone, so enable this option. After enable, let apps access your microphone, enable it and enable the all the options for each and every application. In the last, enable the let desktop apps access your microphone. We need to enable this option also. Once done, close this window, right click on the start icon, go to device manager, then expand audio inputs and outputs, then right click on microphone, go to its properties, go to drivers tab and select update driver. This is a very important process to fix this issue. Select the first option, search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Once done, just close all windows one by one and simply restart your system. You can also check out our pin command to fix this issue. Also description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.